life unfolds in wondrous, diverse forms. Discover how mammals, birds, and plants begin their journey. Mammals start life as fragile infants with nurturing care. Birds emerge from eggs, transforming from hatchlings to graceful adults. Plants begin as seeds, sprouting into vibrant life. Animations and diagrams can illustrate nature's precise developmental milestones. Each cycle showcases survival, growth, and the resilience of life. Contrasts between live birth and egg hatching highlight evolutionary diversity. In nature, every stage contributes to an intricate, thriving system. Witness the wonder of life as cycles unite science and beauty. Through careful study, students and educators uncover nature's secrets. As life stages interconnect in an endless cycle, mystery transforms into understanding. Join us now to explore the captivating science behind every life phase. Embrace the wonder every single day,